Always look good. Don't worry about what's happening around you. It doesn't matter. Always look good.